Losing your national insurance number can feel like a mini crisis, but don't worry, this video will show you exactly how to find it. First, check any old payslips you might have lying around. Your national insurance number is usually printed prominently on each one. Scour your files or drawers. Next, look for your P60 form. This is a yearly summary of your income and deductions, including, you guessed it, your national insurance number. It's another document employers usually provide. If those documents are missing, try logging into your government gateway account. If you've used it to file taxes online, your national insurance number should be there. Finally, if all else fails, you can contact HMRC directly. You can find their phone number on the gov.uk website. Be prepared to answer some security questions to verify your identity. Just to recap, that's checking old payslips, P60 forms, your government gateway account, and contacting HMRC as a last resort. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you find your national insurance number. Now you can get back to what you were doing, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful UK finance tips.